Auto Layout is a property in Figma, which when toggled on frames, causes content designs to dynamically adapt to changes in content, saving time and making designs responsive. Adding Auto Layout to a frame can be done using the Shift-A shortcut or the Add Auto Layout button in the right sidebar under the Layout section. The height and width of the frame now read Hug, and the icon in the Layers panel indicates Auto Layout is enabled. When you add text inside the frame, its dimensions immediately conform to the text. When adding Auto Layout to a frame, Figma tries to figure out the flow or arrangement of items. Vertical stacks along the y-axis, horizontal along the x-axis, and grid arranges into columns and rows. Control layout spacing using gap and padding. Gap is the distance between objects in the frame. Padding is the space between the edge of the frame and its contents. Padding can be set uniformly or independently for top, right, bottom, and left, and the frame expands to accommodate it. Alignment controls where items sit within the frame, from corners to easy center alignments. Distribution determines how items spread out. Packed keeps items together using the gap value, while space between pushes the first and last items to opposite edges and distributes the rest evenly. For horizontal layouts, there's also a wrap option that moves overflowing items to the next line. Resizing behavior controls how elements respond to changes. Hug contents makes frames wrap tightly around their children, expanding automatically to fit text. Fill container stretches elements to occupy all available space in their parent, while fixed dimensions stay constant regardless of content. Minimum and maximum width or height can be set to limit how much an element grows or shrinks. Auto Layout becomes more powerful when nesting frames inside each other, each with its own flow direction, spacing, and resizing behavior. Icon and text form a button, button goes in a card, cards form a grid. Each layer controls its own properties independently, so changing text only resizes the button, while adding another card automatically adjusts the grid. Sometimes an element needs to break out of the Auto Layout flow. This is called Ignore Auto Layout, similar to absolute positioning in CSS. When enabled, the element is excluded from the flow and positioned relative to its parent frame using constraints. Entire responsive designs can be built with nested auto layouts. Responsive layouts built with nested auto layouts adapt automatically when resized. Elements reflow from desktop to mobile without creating separate designs. This has been Auto Layout in 100 seconds. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.